Hello and welcome all on my YouTube channel JNS Basic Geology. So by this video we will try to solve some of the multiple choice questions based on the animal cockroach. This will be our first video based on the basically on the multiple choice questions, that is the MCQs of the cockroach. So please do watching my videos, and if you want then share these videos to your friends. So let us start by our first MCQ question based on the cockroach. So the first MCQ: male and female cockroach can be identified by anal cirri, anal style, antennae or compound eyes. So we know that in case of cockroach, male and female individuals are separately found, and there is having a particular structure which is present only in case of male cockroach, by which we can differentiate that particular male organism from the female organism. So there is having an anal style, and this anal style, with the help of this anal style which is only present in the male, we can differentiate the male cockroach from the female cockroach. So in the 10th segment, in case of cockroach, bears small filamentous sensory anal cirri, and these anal cirri are present in both the type of cockroach in both the sexes. This each cirri is made up of 15 segments, but in case of male, besides anal cirri, there is having an additional organ that is called as anal style, and this anal style which is found on the 9th sternum by a short unjointed thread-like structure which is particularly absent in case of female. So in this diagram we can found the anal style, which is unsegmented short structure present only in male cockroach. Next one, second, the skeleton of cockroach is formed of, we know that the body of the cockroach is enveloped by exoskeleton, and that exoskeleton is made by A. chitin, B. cuticle, C. cartilage, and D. amino acid. The skeleton of cockroach is formed by chitin, which can cover the entire body surface. Dorsal surface of an abdominal segment of cockroach is, so the body of cockroach is perforated by, enveloped by some dorsal plates and some ventral plates. So the dorsal surface of an abdominal segments of cockroach is having A. sternum, B. pleuron, C. tergum, and D. none of these. So the dorsal plates or sclerites of the cockroach is made by tergum or called as tergum. Next one, the body cavity of cockroach is A. coelom, B. pseudosole, C. hemosole, and D. colenterol. So the body cavity of the cockroach is basically called as hemosole. The number of thoracic segments in cockroaches are A. 2, B. 4, C. 3, and D. 5. So how many segments are found in case of cockroach, particularly in thoracic segments? So they are having 3 thoracic segments in cockroaches. So thorax, which is having a middle region and consists of 3 segments: prothorax, mesothorax, and metathorax. These are the three segments which covers the thorax part of the cockroach. Prothorax, which is the anteriormost part of the thorax, mesothorax, middle part, and metathorax is the posterior part of the thorax part of the cockroach. The two pairs of wings in cockroach are situated in the segment. So, from which area of the body these wings are arises? A. Pro and mesothorax, B. Pro and metathorax, C. Meso and metathorax, and D. None of these. So the correct option will be meso and metathorax. The two pairs of wings in cockroach are situated in the meso and metathorax segments. Tergum of prothorax bears jointed walking legs, while meso and metathorax bears a pair of wings. The respiratory pigments in cockroach is absent. Hence, in cockroach, A. O2 diffuses directly in the tissues, B. Follow anaerobic respiration, C. Respiration occurs by puck lungs, and D. None of the above. So the respiratory pigments which is present in higher vertebrates and in some invertebrates which are absent in case of cockroach, due to which how the transport of gases takes place. That is, O2 diffuses directly in the tissues. So the gaseous exchange in case of cockroach can be takes place by simple diffusion between air in tracheae and dissolved gases in blood or tracheal fluid. So in the spiracles and in the trachea, the O2 diffusion takes place. Next one, the chitinous structures found around the genital aperture of cockroach are gonapophysis, B. Odontoid process, C. Anal cirri and sternum. The chitinous structures found around the genital aperture of cockroach are called as gonapophysis, and these gonapophysis are also sometimes called as external genitalia, and these can assist in copulation. Next MCQ, cockroach has dash dash type of mouth part. A. Sponging, B. Chewing and biting, C. Pursing and sucking, and D. Lapping. So cockroach has chewing and biting type of mouth part. And last multiple choice question for this video, spiracles is a part of which system in cockroach? A. Circulatory system, B. Respiratory system, C. Reproductive system, or D. Nervous system. The spiracles, these are the small openings which are found on the lateral side of the body. The spiracles are the structures having a part of a respiratory system in case of cockroach, where exchange of the gases takes place. So these are some MCQs based on the cockroach